How to change store currency on Shopify. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change your store currency on Shopify, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Shopify website on my computer and then log into my account. So if you want to change your store currency to another currency like for example the US dollar, then what you need to do is to click right here where it says settings. Then when you are in here, then you need to click where it says store details. What you need to do next is to scroll down a little bit until you see where it says store currency. In here, you will be able to change your store currency, so click here to get the list up and then find the currency that you want to change to. I'm going to choose a random one to demonstrate. So after I'm done, then I will need to click where it says save. Don't forget to do that, otherwise this will not work. What will happen now is that the products on your store will change currency, but if you want to change your payout currency as well, then you will need to click right here and then follow the instruction on that page. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.